Hey guys, what's up? I just thought I would show you this lamp I just put together that I got from Amazon. This is the remote that comes with it. So I'm going to walk you through the settings. I was really excited about the remote because as you can see, for me, the lamp is going to be way over in that corner and there's no like pathway to it without like crawling over the corner of the couch. So for me, a remote's really going to come in handy. It does also have a foot press on off switch, and it has like when you turn it on, it will come on bright, and then when you turn it off, it'll go off, and then if you hit it again, it will come on like dim. So it's got a couple of setting options from the foot pedal, but anyway, the remote's a little bit easier to access all of the different settings, right? So you have your power. You have this 1 hour timer that you can put it on if you want to, and then you have these different brightness settings. So I'll just go ahead and press those to show you. So you can do quick press or like long hold to make the adjustments like just a little bit, or to hold it to go the spectrum. One is going to be for to increase or decrease the brightness, which is the ones that have the kind of sun symbol here. And then the ones on the right and the left do the color temperature. And it seems to have like 3 different color temperatures, but it kind of fades between them, which is really cool. So I'll go ahead and do brightness first. So we'll go ahead and, as you can see, I'm dimming it. And that's the lowest, right? And then we'll make it go all the way back up to the brightest setting. And then let's go ahead and we're going to change the color temperature. I'm going to start by going over here on the left, and then I'll do the one on the right. So let's do left, and it takes it to the warmest, kind of like a yellow light color. And then when you hit that middle, I think that's kind of like your white light. And then if you keep going, it gets more of the cool, almost, I mean, it's still white, but it's like a bluer tone to it, I suppose. And then you have some options for that down here as well, right? So when we hit the K, it's going to change the color temperatures more dramatically. Like it'll go all the way to 1 versus kind of the sliding scale. So we'll do that real quick. So we've got the brown color. I hit it again. We've got the white. Oh no, that's the brown color. Then the white, then the blue. I call them by like colors. I don't know if that's accurate, but and then you have night mode, which is right here, and that one takes it to 10% brightness, which I think is the lowest setting, so it'll automatically take it down to the dimmest. And then if you want, you can just hit this this light right here at any point in time, no matter where you have it. If you hit that, it's going to take it all the way up to its brightest level. And then we have 3 other modes down here. We have breastfeeding mode, work mode, and reading mode. And that seems to be the color temperature. So when you hit breastfeeding, not just color temperature, but color temperature and 50% brightness. With breastfeeding, it goes into the warm, more yellow light at 50% brightness. Then when you do the work mode, it goes into that, I think that's the white light one that's at 50% brightness, or maybe that's blue. Yeah, and then the reading mode is the white light. The work mode was more of that blue, cool temperature. And then this is like the soft white for reading mode. So lots of different options on this remote. I'm pretty crazy about this lamp. As you can see, it just really goes well in my space. I use like a lot of neutral colors, so I love the canvas that's around like the lampshade. It was really easy to put together. All you do is screw the pole lengths together. It already has the cord inserted, and then the cord comes out the back of the pole, so it doesn't have to go through the base or anything. And then you just connect the lampshade with these little kind of plastic pop-ons that go around the 2 pieces. It was really easy to do. And then you screw the lampshade on with a really easy plastic thing that just twists. I didn't have to use any kind of tool at all. And then you screw the light bulb in. And the light bulb does come with it. You should note that the remote takes 2 AAA batteries, and those are not included. So you'll just want to have a couple of those handy for the remote. But you, again, can use the light without the remote with the foot press option. So anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.